નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear students, let's go ahead in lesson number 3, points of view. What is that lesson number 3, points of view? First article, first chapter. That is nothing else. That is an article. That is an article from the newspaper. The thing is, what you have to learn here, how to write it. When you are writing an article for the newspaper, at that time, few patterns you will think in your mind. A particular format you will think in your mind, and according to that format only you will write it. It is also known as report writing. Once again, it is also known as report writing. Report writing is nothing else. Report writing is equal to simple an article for the newspaper. In Gujarati, in Hindi, you are calling it, you are knowing it as a Heval Lekhan. Same thing is here. You see, the title of your lesson is points of view. Okay, suppose that we will move ahead with text later on. Just before that, what shall we do? Suppose that in your composition part, especially in examination, it is told to you, write a report on your tour towards the Gir jungle with your classmates. Write a report. It means you have already completed your tour, your visit in the Gir forest, and now you are moving ahead to make it clean and for the lion show. You see here, lion show also was important for you, and you want to clean the forest. Both the things are where most important for you. You want to clean the forest also, and you want to have a lion show also. What you have done? It means what? Let's come to know here. First of all, the title will be there. What can be the title? A special tour towards Gir jungle for the lion show and for cleaning the same. This is what? This is the title of this report. This is the title. And this title you will write here. Think in your mind, your title should not be this much long. According to given instruction, you have prepared a title here, but title should not be too long, so that a special tour towards the Gir jungle, this much is the right one. Next to that, for the lion show and for the cleaning the same, these you will write in explanation. This is not according to this, what you have written here in the title, that is correct, but title should be short and sweet. So that whatsoever you have written here, that is the wrong one. Got the idea? So that a special tour towards Gir jungle, bus, that's all finished. It should be the title. This will come in the explanation. Now, next to that, soon after that, something is written, then it is known as byline. This is known as byline. So far as your text is concerned, what's there in your text? This is the title of your report, title of your article. What is that? Chaos. Don't pronounce it chaos. Chaos reigns, emerge, comes out, starts, begins, comes in existence. Chaos reigns as traffic rules are ignored. If traffic rules are ignored, if you don't follow the traffic rules, what can be the condition? Chaos will be there. Chaos means what? Against rules and regulations evoke. So that this is the title of your report, of your article. Next to that, by Jatin Singh. It is written there in your textbook. By Jatin Singh, what you have written, this is what? This is known as byline. The same thing is written here. The same thing is written here, byline. If you write this byline, this will do. If you don't write this byline, that will do. But according to rules and regulations, according to traditional features of report writing and article writing, byline is compulsory. Next to that, date plus place you will write there. You see here in your text also it is given there. That also you will think in your mind. Date and place. Somewhere as place and date. Sometimes it is written place and date, sometimes it is written date and place. Sometimes it is written this side, sometimes it is written that side. No problem. Wherever you want to write, okay, no problem. Nothing is wrong with that. Whether you want to write byline or you don't want to write byline, okay, that will do. That will do. Next to that, how to write place and dates. Sometimes people are used to write place and date in this way or in this way. Maybe date, next place, maybe place, next date. Okay, no problem, that will do. The format is according to the norm only, nothing else, nothing is wrong with that. Now, you are here with, up till now we have seen the form, the physique, the structure. Now what you will write there inside? Inside, what you will write here also it is written, newspaper article is equal to report writing. This thing you will keep it in your mind. Next to that, here you will write one paragraph, two paragraphs or three paragraphs. Keep in your mind. It should be maximum up to 90-95%. All the three, whatsoever you want to write, it should be simple past tense. It should be any cost anyhow, it should be in simple past tense. So that simple past tense structure should be there in your mind while writing a report. This is must for you. Apart from this, one more thing. Right order of events, right order of data. You were there in Gir jungle, Gir forest for your tour. Suppose that you had been there on 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th December. Then afterwards only you will start writing your report, so that here if you have written here 31st of December, okay, that's valid. Not valid. Soon after this, 2 or 3 days only, if you write the date, that is valid. In place of days, 23, 24, 25, 26 is there. Here you have written 31st of December. Okay, that is valid. Why is it so? Because soon after your this tour, you should start writing a report. After 1 year, if you will start that will not do. So that maximum in a week you will make, you will arrange, you will adjust the date. Now where you were on 23rd, where you were on 24th, where you were on 25th, where you were on 26th, chronologically, so that it is written here, the right order of the events or data should be written there in the article. First of all, you will start with 26th, 24th, 25th, 23rd, 25th, 23rd, 26th, 24th. No, it should not be. Whatsoever you want to write, you will write always with the chronological order. That order only, how you move ahead, like that, how you completed your work, like that simultaneously you will move ahead. Got the idea? This is the form of a report writing. How far it is possible while reading textual content of your same lesson. Title is Chaos Reigns as Traffic Rules Are Ignored. When I'll move ahead in this lesson, I'll explain to you in detail what's there, what's not there, how it is. And apart from that, after completion of this, nothing should be written. Yours faithfully. Thanks. No, nothing is required there to write. Why nothing is required to write? You see here, if you write here byline, everything is over. So far as a traditional method for report writing is concerned, you will not write even byline also. Nothing is required there. Simply, first thing is the title, next to that thing is place and date, next to that thing 2 or 3 paragraphs. Bas, seedhi baat, no bakwas. In this way, you will write your report writing or newspaper article. This is the form, this is the structure, what you are going to see here in this lesson. This is the structure, what you are going to face here, what you are going to learn here, what you are going to write even in examination also. Based on the same thing, we have completed the framework of report writing or an article writing. If you want to write anything else for the structure, you can write down over here. I'll give you time 2 to 5 seconds for you so that you can write whatsoever you want to write from here. Thank you. Thanks a lot to you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us. નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.